What's up, guys? I bet you've been making these French cooking mistakes your whole life. But don't worry, I'm here to set things straight. We're about to dive into 5 French cooking myths that are absolutely destroying your flavor game. Alright, let's tackle myth number 1. French food must always be loaded with butter. Wrong! While butter is amazing, it's all about balance, baby. You don't need to drown your food in a butter ocean. A little goes a long way in creating that rich, velvety mouthfeel we all crave. Take a classic beurre blanc sauce. It's all about emulsification, not just butter overload. Now on to myth number 2. Too much wine makes sauces taste better. No, this isn't a frat party, people. The key is reduction and concentration. A splash of good quality wine can elevate your coq au vin, but too much will make it taste like boozy soup. Let's keep it classy, folks, and let those beautiful burgundy notes shine through. Moving on to myth number 3. French recipes are impossible without exact measurements. Listen up, because this one's gonna blow your mind. French cooking isn't always about precision, it's about feeling and instinct. Trust your palate, people. Now let's talk about myth number 4. Searing seals in the juices. Oh boy, this one's a doozy. I hate to break it to you, but that's not how it works. Searing isn't about sealing anything. It's about creating flavor through the Maillard reaction. That beautiful brown crust. That's where the magic happens. The real key to juicy meat is proper resting after cooking. Alright, time for our final myth. Classic French dishes are always fancy and complicated. Let me tell you, this couldn't be further from the truth. A lot of French cuisine is rustic, simple, and downright comforting. Think hearty cassoulet, crusty baguettes, and simple poulet rôti. French cooking is about respecting ingredients and letting their natural flavors shine. You don't need a culinary degree, so don't be intimidated. Embrace the simplicity and watch your cooking game level up. A perfectly roasted chicken with herbs is French simplicity at its finest. Now that we've busted these myths wide open, let's talk about some quick tips to boost your French cooking game. Those brown bits stuck to the pan? That's flavor gold, baby. Perfect for making a quick pan sauce. I prepared 2 versions of beef bourguignon, one following the myths and one using our newfound knowledge. Time for a taste test. Oh man, the difference is night and day. The myth-busting version is balanced, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. This is what real French cooking is all about, folks. And there you have it, guys. 5 French cooking myths absolutely destroyed. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more culinary truth bombs. Remember, cooking is about having fun and trusting your instincts. Now get out there and start your French cooking revolution. I'm out.